Line 22, 7B249, real visible particles, electromagnetic repulsion, quantum formula Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And we're going to talk about quantum field theory, electromagnetic repulsion, virtual photons, charges, real particles, excitations, interactions, asymptotic states, scattering matrix, antiparticles, and a formula, line 22, WOW data. So February 26, 2014, we're looking at the keyword quantum fluctuations in virtual particles. Quotes in wiki: in quantum field theory, even classical forces such as the electromagnetic repulsion or attraction between two charges can be thought of as due to the exchange of many virtual photons between the charges. The term is somewhat loose and vaguely defined in that it refers to the view that the world is made up of real particles. It is not, rather, real particles are better understood to be excitations of the underlying quantum fields. Virtual particles are also excitations of the underlying fields, but are temporary in the sense that they appear in calculations of interactions, but never as asymptotic states or indices to the scattering matrix. As such, the accuracy and use of virtual particles in calculations is firmly established. But their reality or existence is a question of philosophy rather than science. Antiparticles have been proven to exist and should not be confused with virtual particles or virtual antiparticles. Note that it is common to find physicists who believe that because of its intrinsically perturbative character, the concept of virtual particles is a frequently confusing and misleading one and is thus best to be avoided. February 27, 2014, formula from the data. Quantum field theory, classical forces, electromagnetic repulsion, attraction between two charges, exchange of many virtual photons between the charges, real particles, excitations underlying quantum fields, virtual particles, excitations underlying fields, temporary appear in calculations of interactions, but never as asymptotic states or indices to scattering matrix. Accuracy use of virtual particles in calculations is established. Their reality or existence is a question of philosophy than science. Antiparticles proven to exist should not be confused with virtual particles or virtual antiparticles. It is common to find physicists that believe the concept of virtual particles is confusing and misleading one and thus to be avoided. Data will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.